friends. How are you? We are good. Welcome to Speak English for Beginners. Are you ready for today's story? Let's begin.
What happened in here?
I only wanted to look. I didn't mean to break it. You always take everything from me.
All right, let's calm down.
It's okay, Ruby.
I don't want to talk right now. Nobody understands.
I love you just as deeply as I love Ruby. But love is not enough if I do not show it well. I was busy, distracted, and I kept saying later. That was unfair to you.
Mom, Dad, guess what? My teacher said my reading was the best in class.
That is wonderful, Ruby. Wow, Ruby.
You worked so hard for this, Ruby. We are proud of you.
You did such a great job, sweetheart.
Thank you, I'm so happy.
Mom, I made something too. I worked on it last night. That is nice, honey. Show me properly after school, okay?
Okay, Mom. Dad, can you fix my strap?
Of course, sweetheart.
I wanted to show mine too. Maybe I will get another star today.
Maybe you will.
What if I do something good too?
Of course, sweetie. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, Ruby.
Good morning, Miss Elena.
Have a good day, kids.
Class, next week we will have Family Heart Day. You may bring a drawing, a model, a song, or something special that shows your feelings. Maybe if I make something really special, Mom and Dad will look at me too. Maybe then they will see how hard I try.
Listen, I learned the whole part by myself.
That sounds lovely, Ruby.
You are improving so much.
I'll play it for you.
We're so proud of you.
Mom, Dad, I want to make something for Family Heart Day. Can you help me tonight? Of course, Sam. Just give us a little time. I will make the biggest, nicest gift ever. Then they will know I matter too. One more time, Ruby. You are almost perfect.
I wish someone would say that to me too.
You're doing great, Ruby.
1, 2, 3.
That's it. Keep going.
Dad, look! I made the roof all by myself. Do you think it looks good?
That looks nice, buddy. Let me see more in a little while.
They always say later. Maybe later never comes for me. Ruby's music part is tomorrow, and she is nervous. We should focus on helping her tonight.
Yes, then we can handle everything else after.
Handle everything else?
Focus on Ruby again. It is always Ruby. Maybe they really do love her more than me. Grandma, do parents sometimes love one child more than the other? Oh, sweetheart, love does not work like that. Sometimes attention looks uneven, but hearts are bigger than moments. Okay, Grandma, I love you.
Before you decide what they feel, let them hear what you feel.
I don't know if I can say it out loud.
Brave hearts tell the truth gently.
Wow, Sam, this looks amazing. Is this a city?
Don't touch it, please. I'm still fixing everything. Oh no, Sam, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. You ruined everything. Everyone always cares about you, and now you broke mine too. I said I was sorry. What happened in here?
I only wanted to look. I didn't mean to break it.
You always take everything from me.
All right, let's calm down.
It's okay, Ruby.
Do you love Ruby more than me? You always watch her, help her, and praise her. When I try to show you something, you always say later.
Sam, is that really how you feel?
Buddy, we never wanted you to feel that way.
I don't want to talk right now. Nobody understands.
I didn't know he felt like that.
Neither did I.
We missed something important.
Look at all this detail, tiny windows, stars, roads, even our house.
He put his whole heart into this. We should have seen it sooner.
I don't want Sam to think I took his place. I just wanted him to be happy too.
Sam, may I sit here for a minute? I won't force you to talk, but I don't want you to feel alone. Sometimes when one child needs extra help, the other child can feel forgotten. That is not because love is smaller. It means we failed to show it clearly.
Every time Ruby does something, you both stop and smile. When I try, you say later. I started thinking maybe later means never for me.
Sam, I had no idea. I'm so sorry.
Sam, I am so sorry. I heard your words, and they broke my heart because I never wanted you to carry that pain alone. I love you just as deeply as I love Ruby, but love is not enough if I do not show it well. I was busy, distracted, and I kept saying later. That was unfair to you. Sam, I don't want your spot. I love when Mom and Dad smile at me, but I want them to smile at you too. I think your city is beautiful. I was really mad, but I was mostly sad. I know, and I am really sorry I touched your project after you told me not to.
What if we rebuild it together tonight?
Not because it was broken, but because your idea matters, Sam. Tell me where this tower goes, Sam. I want to get it right.
Can I make the stars?
Yes, but this time gently.
These stars are for the sky above your tiny town. Thanks, Ruby. That part will make it look magical. I'll make lots more. You're the best helper, Ruby.
This city is amazing, buddy. You thought of everything.
I wanted it to feel like home, but brighter.
It already does.
Sam, this is beautiful.
Not just nice, not just good, beautiful. I should have stopped and seen it the first time you showed me.
I wanted you to. It looks like a dream town.
Tomorrow, everyone will see how talented you are, Sam.
And tonight, we already do.
First thing after school, we are all going to Family Heart Day together.
And Sam, we want to hear every part of your idea.
Really? Okay. Careful, the Star Bridge is my favorite part. Mine too.
We are all on Team Sam today. Sam, this looks wonderful already. I can tell you worked very hard.
I did, and my family helped me finish it. Wow, did you really make all of this?
Yes, I made it from cardboard, paper, and a lot of patience. And a lot of heart, too.
It's amazing, wow. Sam is really good at building things. He sees details nobody else sees.
This is our house, and these are the lights that mean home feels safe. The stars mean family love, even when people forget to show it. That was brave, creative, and honest, Sam. You made something beautiful, and you told the truth with kindness.
That sounds exactly like our boy.
I wanted to give you this, because today you were the bravest one in the room.
Really?
Really, and you are the best big brother too.
We love you, Sam. Not a little, not less, but with our whole hearts.
And we will do better at showing it.
I believe you now. Tomorrow we can build another city together. Only if you help me make even more stars.
Now that sounds like home.